For this particular trinomial, I noticed that there isn't anything in common. I also noticed that this first term is a perfect square. 25x squared has a square root of 5x. I also know this last term is a perfect square. 49y squared has a square root of 7y. And that means that this might possibly be a perfect square trinomial. I know the first term's a perfect square, and so is the last term. What I need to check out is if this middle term is going to be the correct value. And the middle term needs to be 2 times the product of the square roots of these terms out here. So we know the square root of that is 5x, the square root of that is 7y. We need to check and see if this 70xy is 2 times the 5x times the 7y. And 2 times 5 is 10, times 7 is 70, and then we have our x and y. So that means this middle term is exactly what we want for this to be a perfect square trinomial. So this will factor into the square root of this first term plus the square root of the very last term. That quantity will be squared. And our square root of our first term is 5x. The square root of our last term is 7y. Since we have an addition right here, that means this will be addition, and that quantity will be squared. And our completely factored form is the quantity 5x plus 7y squared.